Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video we are going to discuss about looping through the objects using the for each loop in VBA. Object variables are really important in VBA coding. Object variable allows us to travel through the object group. Okay. So basically used Excel objects are a file is an object. A sheet inside a file is an object. Cell inside the sheet is an object, correct? A chart inside the sheet is an object. A shape inside the sheet is an object. So many items are classified as objects in Excel. Okay. Object group means a group of any of these items we mentioned before, like a group of sheets is an object group. For example, in this file we have 6 sheets. So these are the 6 sheets in this file. So these 6 sheets together is an object group. A cell is an object. A range of cells is an object group. A workbook is an object. A group of open workbook is an object group. Okay, so there is a loop called for each loop which will help you to loop through or run through these objects. Okay, this is a syntax for using the for each loop. So it's like this: for each object variable. So you don't need to declare the object variable, you can directly use a name here because we're classifying them into an object group. That means like automatically it will pick the type of the object group you specify. Okay, so for each object variable in a object group of objects, and inside that you will write whatever code you want to execute when you loop through these objects. Okay, and finally, as usual, you will place a next. So here object variable is the name of the object variable. Object group is a group of objects. So here I have written an example for you. For each SHT is the object variable name. In this workbook.sheets, this workbook.sheets means what? Group of sheets in this workbook. Okay, and we are saying MSG box SHT.name. That means spit out the name of the sheets. Correct. Okay, let's try this and check whether really this for each loop go through these sheets or not. So I'm going to VBA, then I'm writing like for each SHT in this workbook.sheets, right? Then inside this for each loop I'm gonna write the same code, MSG box SHT.name comma VB OK only plus VB exclamation comma sheet names. Right. Okay, so let's come back to my Excel and assign the macro in this one and check it is working or not. Okay, so when I click this, you can see for each loop, that's the name of the first sheet. Okay, family, that's the name of the second sheet. Computer, third sheet. Center, fourth. Doha, fifth. Qatar is the sixth sheet. So literally it is going through the sheets and collecting the name of the sheets. So it's working, right? So the object variable, once again, it will help you to loop through the objects. Let's try one more example. In this sheet I have a list of courses starting from A1 to A5. So A1 to A5, this is an object group, a range of cells. When I click this try one button, I want to run an object loop which will go through this and take the value from these cells. Okay, so I'll go back to my VBA and I'm saying like tab test2 underscore running through cells. Okay, so I'm saying like for each C in this workbook.sheets of, what was the name of the sheet? Center dot range of A1 to A5. I'm giving next. So this is a group of objects. Okay, I will use the same MSG box here. MSG box C comma VB OK only plus VB information comma values. Okay, Let me go back to this Excel and assign the macro, then try to running through the cells. There you go. It is running through the cells. C++, Java, Oracle 14337 VBA. Right? Okay. So the object loop will help you to run through the object group, each item in the object group. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.